front view of the cylinder, it is nothing but just two circles we have drawn. Now we have concentrated on middle part. Okay, height, how much height it is there, and from where it is starting, middle part, 36 is the height. Okay, 36 is the height, and from, are you agree with me? It is a 36. What is the height of middle part? Middle part height
36.
36. Okay. Now along the length, what is the length of this middle part? How much it is? Middle part length, how much it is? Who will tell? How much distance I should move horizontally? Middle
20.
part length.
20.
Which 20? Not that. I'm asking overall above this. Means from here I have went to up to vertical, then horizontal. How much I should move? Total length remaining, we can say. How much it is total?
70.
70, sir.
70. Very good. It is 70. How come 70? Because this 40 is already given.
40 plus
Remaining
30.
will be how much? 40 plus 30 means 70. Very good. So horizontally I have to move 70. Why it is going beyond? How much total length we have calculated?
100. 100.
Total length we have calculated 100. Okay. Oh. Height we have drawn. Okay, height. Now from this, are you observing my plus sign cursor? From this, how much distance I should go below or vertically? Below.
20.
Vertically downward. So its height is 20. Here it is a 20. So you might be observing. Okay, so now I have to go 20. Okay, so from here I will go 20. Then how much I should go back? How much should go in this left direction? Totally 70. Out of that 70, how much I should subtract?
20, 58%.
Out of 70, how much I have to subtract? 20. How much
20.
will remain?
50.
50 will remain. Okay. Then directly vertical, where it will meet, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where it will meet. Directly we have to draw vertical line. So where it will meet, so we have to keep as it is. So something like this. So it will come something like this. Yeah, so this will. Okay. After that, for this middle part, any problem?
No, sir.
For this middle part, any problem? Huh? Any problem here? Say yes, no, whatever. If not, we will go next. Second part, any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now this triangular rib we have to draw triangular rib. So this it is something just we are drawing this view. We are observing the object. Those who have joined the late, I will tell. This is our object. This is our object, and from right hand side we are observing the object in this way, and we are drawing its front view. That's all. Right now we are drawing its front view. It will come something like this. That only we are drawing. That only we are drawing. Now we have to draw rib. We have to draw a rib. So how to draw that rib means triangular shape. It is supporting part. Triangular shape supporting part we have to draw. How we will draw? We will start from here. So we will start from here and we will draw tangent somewhere. Tangent to this circle. It will be your rib. Very simple. So you have to start from the that second part and we have to draw here. It is as simple as this. Okay. Next. Which part is remained still? कुठला part राहिला आता? Which part is remained? Topmost part, something like conical part. It is not exactly cone, it is called the frustum. Frustum, frustum, frustum means cone without apex is called the frustum. So something like this. This part we have to draw. So what will be the radius of middle part, or we can say instead of radius, I will say let us say diameter. What will be the diameter of the middle part? So whatever this conical part is there at the top, what will be its bottom radius or bottom diameter? How much it will be for this conical part? Water glass, something like water glass. What will be that radius? Bottom ची radius किंवा diameter किती असेल हो? कोण सांगू शकते? How much it is? It is given in the problem also. Two circles are there for this. Bottom is semicircle ला जाते. Semicircle ची radius किती आहे? How much radius or diameter is there for the semicircle? It will be same as that. It will be same as that. It is 30. Okay, and what about this top? Top चा diameter किती आहे?
40. Diameter 40, radius 20.
Diameter 40, radius 20. So that we will draw. And for the bottom, diameter 60, radius 30. So that we will draw now. How? That we will draw. Means, okay. So radius is 30. So from here, so it will come somewhere here. Okay. And for the top also. So 40 diameter is there. So it will be joined something like this here. Okay. So instead of joining this, I will draw first this middle and from here. So it will be something like this, and from here it will be like this. Is it coming? something has gone wrong. Just check. 40. So middle of this 60. That middle we have to take. Height is how much? Its height will be. How much height is there for the topmost park? Height, how much it is there? It is height 40.
Yes, sir.
40. Height is 40. Okay. So this middle circle, just we have to draw here conical shape. Just we have to draw its conical shape. So it will be like this. Okay. From here, that radius. So circle is bottom circle. So it will be like this. It will come like this. Okay. So here center line I have drawn, so I will remove that. So for that top surface, so whether it will be like this, something like this. Now there is one hole. Okay, there is one hole throughout. That hole is throughout. So for this object, there is one hole which is a throughout. So this hole is throughout. Are you observing throughout hole? So it is a throughout. दिसते का ते throughout आहे ते.
Yes.
So whether it is observing in the front view, the front view मध्ये दिसते का कसं आहे ते?
No, sir.
No,
So how it will come? How
Dot.
it will? Yes,
but dotted.
it will come. It will come dotted, and still it is throughout. It is throughout. Okay. And tell me, what is its diameter or radius? That throughout hole. जे throughout hole आहे त्याची radius किंवा diameter किती आहे?
20 diameter.
20 diameter or radius?
10.
10.
Radius 10. So that hole, it will come something like this. Okay, after this. And it will be dotted or dark.
Dotted.
It will be dotted. So here I will show it as a dotted again. Okay, so it will be dotted. Color dotted है. Why it came dotted?
Invisible from front view.
It is invisible from the front view. So any problem in front view?
No, sir.
So it will be like this. So try to understand. This object is little complicated. So we have to understand very clearly. Any problem in this? So front view is over. Huh? Likewise, we have to complete the top view also. So let us go to top view. Shall we go to top view?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
We will go to top view now. How will be the top view first? We will take help of front view. So sir, this cylinder, how will it will look like? Cylinder along the width, it will look like along the width. Once you are going to see cylinder, how it will look? Like a rectangle.
Rectangle.
It
Yes.
will look. It will look like rectangle. Now see here, for this object front view we have drawn like this. Front view. This object is something like this. We have drawn its front view in this direction. Now we are supposed to draw its top view. So it will look like this. आता हे आपलं टार्गेट असं आहे. In this way we have to draw its top view. top view will be something like this. Now how cylinder will look like? Cylinder kasa disil? Just
Rectangular.
concentrate. It will look like rectangular.
Rectangle.
Whether that hole of the cylinder is observed from the top view. Cylinder
Yes,
the
sir.
hole जे आहे cylinder ते दिसते का top view मध्ये?
Cylinder.
No, sir.
No,
The
sir.
hole which is there for the cylinder. So how it will come?
Dotted.
Dotted.
It will come dotted. Let us draw that. Let us take help of projection line. It will come something like directly this. This is cylinder. Whatever you are observing right now, so I will remove that so that confusion will not happen. I have taken help of projection line and then I have erased that. So this rectangle is what in top view? हा जो rectangle दिसतोय एवढा. What is this rectangle? Complete rectangle. What is this? It is
Cylinder.
cylinder. Now that middle hole, how we can draw that middle central hole? ते कसं काढू शकतो आपण? So we can take again help of projection line like this. Again, and how will be this? Is it visible from the top? It is not visible. So what we have to do?
Dotted.
Dotted. So again we have to show dotted. Again we have to show by dotted. So it's like this. It will come by dotted. For the cylinder, no problem. Next, what we have to do next? आता पुढं काय काढूया आता पुढं? Middle part. Shall we draw that middle part or shall we draw that rib, triangular shaped rib? What we have to draw? The choice is yours. Shall we draw middle part or shall we draw rib, supporting part? What we will draw first? Time is less. काय काढायचं सांगा first?
Middle part.
Middle part. Okay, middle part we will draw first. No problem. So how it will look? It is a semicircular. From where it is starting? That middle part? Center. Something like, first I will draw one center line. Okay, something like this. It is starting from the center. Something like this, middle. So here. Now tell me, from this point, from this particular point, how much distance I should go upward and downward? What is its width? Middle part width किती आहे? Read the dimension. How much it is?
34.
No 34. This 60. No, width is 36. 60 for the middle part. 60 आहे. And from the center again, I have to go how much distance upward and how much distance downward? 30, 30. येते लक्षात? From here again 30. Are you getting? मी का गेलो इकडे 30 आणि इकडे 30 because this dimension, are you remembering, this dimension is 60. Width of middle part is 60. येते का लक्षात? Then
Yes, sir.
after that what I have to do? What I have to do after that? Out of that total is, so from here I have to draw 10. I have to go 10. From here I have to go 10 mm. Okay. Then, sorry. Okay, like this. Here I have to draw now semicircle. Here I have to draw now semicircle. Okay. So what is that semicircle radius? 30.
30.
So that circle I have to draw. It will come something like this. It will come something like this. So that semicircle I have drawn here. only just give attention. So as a part of our orthographic, I am telling this. Okay, it will come something like this. Now, whatever earlier we have drawn, cylinder, that cylinder is going below this part. या पार्टच्या खाली गेलाय का तो सिलेंडर? Some part of that cylinder, not all again. Some part of that cylinder, it is going below this. So what we have to do? आता हा दिसतोय का आपल्याला सिलेंडरचा पार्ट? त्याच्या खाली गेला इथं बघा, दिसतोय का? पूर्ण सिलेंडर दिसतोय का वरून पाहताना?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Some part of the cylinder is going below. So whatever part will go below, what we have to do for that part?
Dotted.
Again, we have to show it by dotted.
Dotted line.
Again, we have to show it by dotted line. So try to understand why I am showing now this by dotted line, because it is going below this part. Okay, so again I will show it by dotted line. So like this. सिलेंडरचा काही पार्ट डॉटेड का दाखवला हो इथं?
Invisible.
Why it is so? It is
Invisible.
invisible. Now top surface. The cylinder we have drawn, middle part we have drawn, angular shape middle part. Now first term, topmost part we have to draw. काय दिसेल topmost part चं सांगा बरं? Topmost part जो आहे त्याचं काय दिसेल?
Circle.
Only circles will be there. Very good. Only circles will be there. Okay. So how many circles? Bottom circle, what is its radius? Bottom circle radius किती आहे? So that will be one radius. हे circle एक असं दिसेल का?
Yes, sir.
That one. Then topmost circle radius is how much? 20.
20.
Okay. So it will be one circle again. Okay. And what about this middle one? Central hole, 20, whose diameter is 20. Radius will be
10.
10.
10. So it will look like this. Only circles will look like this. Circles. फक्त circle असे दिसतील. So what it is remained in the top view? Cylinder we have drawn, middle part we have drawn, and this topmost part also we have drawn. So what it is remained now? Triangular shape. काय सांगितलं मी, त्याचं नाव काय असं सांगितलं?
Rib.
Rib. It is supporting part, just for supporting part. Rib. How it looks? इथं सुद्धा दिसते बघा. Rectangular shape दिसते का rib? Are you observing rectangular shape rib?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How we can draw here? Just see. How we can draw here? From the middle. What is its width? Width of rib is how much? किती आहे rib ची width? हा, किती आहे rib ची width? rib ची width किती आहे? रोल नंबर 2 बिंगारे. How much it is? width समजते ना? width राईट हँड साइडच्या डायमेन्शन सगळ्या लेंथ आहेत, लेफ्ट हँड साइडच्या सगळ्या विड्थ आहेत. तर विड्थ किती आहे या रिपची? थिकनेस किती आहे? थिकनेस किंवा जाडी किती आहे रिपची? दॅट इज विड्थ. थिकनेस ऑफ द विड्थ ऑफ द रिप, हाऊ मच इट इज? एम आय ऑडिबल?
12.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
किती आहे सांगा की, डायमेन्शन बघा आणि सांगा हाऊ मच इट इज.
12.
12. Very simple. 12. It is 12. From where to draw now 12? The 12 कुठून काढायचं? First thing, it is not up to the end. You will see, I will show here. You will see the rib. Are you observing rib? So
Yes.
this rib you have to say. So it is not up to the end. End पर्यंत नाही. It is made up to. So from here, one line you can draw. From where you have drawn that line. So like this, you can draw one line. Okay, in this way, it is not up to the end. So from here, from this point, एक पॉइंट घेतला आहे, इथून मी वरती किती जाणार? 6. येते लक्षात 6, half of 12, 6. So again I will join here. Okay. Similarly again from this point again I will go 6 and I will join this. Whether top view is over. अरे असा आहे. Today what is this problem with Zoom? Ha. Any problem in the top view? Top view मध्ये काय problem?
No, sir.
This is our top view. So this line also I will erase. So it is something like this. Top view. Top view is something like this. Next, what we have to do? Side view.
Side view.
What we have to do? Side view we have to draw. Okay. So shall we draw firstly side view?
Yes, sir.
Side view. How this it will be observed? How it will be observed in side view? It will be something like this. Object as दिसणार आहे आपल्याला. It is very simple. It will be something like this. What will be the width? Instead of width, I will say now length of the cylinder. Cylinder ची length किती असेल होई? How much we are going to observe
80.
in side view?
80.
80.
It will be
80.
80.
80. So if at all you will draw from here projection line, so directly up to the here and then here. Similarly, bottom it is also there. What about its middle circle? Directly in this way you can draw. So whether that circular hole of the cylinder is observed in the front view.
No, sir.
Front view.
No, sir.
No.
So how we can draw?
Dotted.
Dotted.
Again it will be dotted. Okay. Then this part is over. What about this middle part? Let us draw this middle part. किती height आहे त्याची?
36.
36.
36, or you can take help of this, no problem. And width, how much it is width? Horizontal. Either you can take from here or you can draw directly here also. From the center of the cylinder, how much distance you should move to one side and another side? One side 30. Or you can take help of. So that middle part will be observed something like this. Okay. So this will be the middle part. Simply this will be the middle part. Okay. Then what to do then? How much this width is having, this part? 60.
60.
Similarly, this
Yes, sir.
semicircular is also 60. Semicircular is also 60. So if at all this you are going to observe, it will be same. It will be from the front also, it will be same. म्हणजे बघा हे इकडून जरी पाहिलं तुम्ही हा ऑब्जेक्ट म्हणजे ते बदलणार नाही. तुम्ही जरी फ्रंट व्ह्यू मध्ये पाहिला तर टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट बघा बरं का. ओनली यू कॅन ऑब्झर्व ओनली टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट. फ्रॉम द फ्रंट इट विल लुक लाईक दिस. सिमिलरली फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट ऑल्सो इट विल लुक लाईक दिस. काही चेंज होतील का त्या डायमेन्शन मध्ये? टॉप सरफेस आय एम आस्किंग, टॉप पार्ट समथिंग लाईक अवर वॉटर ग्लास, जो टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट आहे. आयदर यू कॅन सी फ्रॉम द फ्रंट or from the left, it will remain same. So whatever what the fashion we have drawn, it will be same. It will be same like that. Okay, so you can draw that as well. So this part I must this, and this circular hole also it will be throughout. So it is something like this. Okay, and again it is in that middle part. So from here also one dotted line will come up. This dotted line. Why? Because that is the edge of this. So this dotted line will come. Means here there is a change of surface. मी हा point घेतला बघा इथून. This projection I have taken here. Are you getting? समजलं हे? Now what it is remained in this? याच्यामध्ये राहिले काय आता फक्त? What it is remained? काय राहिले या साइड व्ह्यू मध्ये आता? What it is remained to draw? Which part is remained to draw in side view? Are you with me? I can understand object.
Yes.
What it is? Cylinder we have drawn, middle part we have drawn, topmost part we have drawn. So what it is remained?
Circle, cylinder.
That we have drawn, no? Circle dotted we have shown. What it is remained? Rib is remained, rib.
Rib.
Rib we have not drawn. Rib we have not drawn. So from here and here you can take help of. So directly. So whatever width is there, so directly you can take help. From here you can draw line. From here you can draw line. Okay, then circle. Very simple. This is most simple method to locate any part in the view. So it is like this. So this will be, I will cut. This I will cut. Okay. And then directly vertical. Up to where I have to go vertical? कुठपर्यंत जाणार मी? And from here horizontal. From the rib. From here horizontal. Something like this. So that will be the rib. That dark line will remain. Now last part is remainder to cut the object. From which part we are supposed to cut this object? कुठून कट करायचा आहे हा ऑब्जेक्ट आपल्याला? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last 5 minutes. कुठून कसा पार्ट कट करायचा आहे हा आपल्याला? Along which section cutting plane I have told earlier. From where we have to cut? Section plane AA. सेक्शन प्लेन ए कट करायचा आहे आणि आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? हॅचिंग लाईन दाखवाव्या लागतात. हॅचिंग लाईन्स मीन्स टू शो सम लाईन्स. Actually our lecture will get end by within 1 minute. So afterwards you can join for 5 minutes only. So last part is remained from this. That we will complete. Any problem up to this? बरेच जण लेट जॉईन झाले त्यांच्यासाठी हा ऑब्जेक्ट दाखवतो. या ऑब्जेक्टचा आपण फ्रंट this object आहे bottom ला. There is one cylinder at the bottom, one middle part, and at the topmost there is one conical shape. There is one conical shape. So once lecture will end, immediately you have to join for 5 minutes only. Last part we will complete and then we will stop. Okay, this object you see carefully.